Yeah, she keep me in check. Wanna kiss on my neck. Been affectionate for me ever since we met. Long drive up ahead. Little red Corvette. Her favorite song that she plays.
For real, you had to do this to me. Okay, I have to have one. What kind is this? Let's get a plate. And this one. Okay guys, I am going to Cleveland for the night. I almost said the weekend. Not the weekend, just for tonight. And I'm wearing my new UCLA shirt from H&M with my Kohl's jeans and my white shoes. So we're gonna go watch the sunset in Lakewood, Ohio and get some dinner. And I'm going with my two guy friends, Biddle and Ryan. We made it to Lakewood. Are you excited to see the sunset?
I'm very excited.
Are you excited, Ryan?
I've never been more excited in my life.
Oof.
He's a liar.
I sort of feel like I'm at the ocean right now, the way it sounds.
Pacific?
No, it's the Ohio.
Atlantic.
It's the Ohio Sea.
The Ohio Sea.
Sitting up here on these stairs. It's called the solstice steps, right? Solstice steps, and then there's the sunset, and then there's the black skies and the Ohio Sea. And here's the brick that we're walking on. And there's Ryan, and there's Biddle. And there's more people on the steps. And off in the distance, you can see, would that be the flats? It's hard to see you guys.
Which just look like shadow people.
We're illuminated. Alright, you guys. I feel like the crocodile hunter. I do. And you know what? God bless him. Oh my gosh. Yep.
You okay?
Biddle and Ryan are being very adventurous going down these sketchy rocks, but I've had enough for the night.
Oh, okay. Very good.
I don't know. It was free.
Bye, Lake Erie. I'll see you on Sunday. Totally forgot that I referred to Lake Erie as the wonderful Ohio Sea. It's been a wonderful night. It's so beautiful. And I didn't fall, thank you Jesus. I think my guardian angel honestly caught me. And my heart's still beating fast, and that's been like, what, 15 minutes? We found a little dance troupe performing in a park by where we're gonna get tacos.
Upon a time, this happened.
So it looks like the dancers have 30 seconds to put an oh my god, an impromptu dance together. Alright, so we caught the very end of that impromptu thing. It was impromptu of us to go, and it was an impromptu dance they did, so it's just been such an impromptu random night. But now we're walking to Barrio, which is the best place to get tacos in Northeast Ohio. So we're going out now. Here we are. Barrio.
Your name is like Elizabeth Davis.
Are you writing my name?
I was going to. You want me to do yours?
Yeah, guess what I would gonna have.
Oh, look, they do have.
You're going to get.
Oh. Thank you. I haven't had Barrio in so long. Open up.
Mine's better.
Whatever. No, it's not. Best. How's that peach margarita?
Delicious.
Is it? Okay, good. Guys, I am about to head to my friend Maya's house, and we are going to get some lunch, I think, before she heads off to work. And then I'm going to come back home, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I just thought I would vlog because I'm on a roll with this vlogging thing, and I don't even know like what order I'm going to put my vlogs in, but they're gonna be pretty good because I have a lot of footage. So all right, I'm going to go now. Here at table 6, obviously, with Maya. We just got our martinis. I put my hair up because my hair keeps blowing in my face, and there's not too many people here, so that's amazing. I'm gonna take my hair down, who cares? I got the Cosmarita. It's pretty good. Salt around the rim. It has, I believe, Cointreau. Let me see. Oh, yeah, Jose Cuervo, which is my favorite tequila. Cointreau, pressed lime, and cranberry juice. Love this mirror. And out here, it's really cool. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like, I feel like I want to do my bathroom like this when I own a home. It's just like kind of modern and clean and just pretty. Like there's still like a lot of decor, but it's not too much. So I'm thinking whenever I have a home, that's what I want to do. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, and I am in line at Starbucks to get some breakfast and coffee, obviously, and then I'm going to be headed to church. And I'm a little bit tired today. I slept about 5 hours or so last night. I got back around like 2:30. I think I got back at like 2:30, so I got up at 8, so I'm just like a little bit sleepy, but that's what coffee's for. I'm at Starbucks, and look how cute these are. I really want one of these. They're so cute. I need this for Christmas.
Look at that, win.
What'd you win?
It says win. I didn't scratch it.
I said a surprise.
Yeah. I always leave it like that. Surprise for later. Takes some peace of mind in knowing I won something. I mean, it's got to be at least my money back, right?
How much did you spend on this thing?
$10.
Oh.
That's a lot of stuff for $10. So
Yeah, that's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be like $25.
like there's a lot going on here. There's a whole nother side.
It's like being in Vegas almost.
This is like the vault side too. There's got to be some money over there.
The only thing better than this is Las Vegas.
Yeah, might be pretty close. This is like instant gratification. What's up?
You're just having so much fun.
Yeah, she keep me in check. Want a kiss on my neck. Been affectionate for me ever since we met. Long drive up ahead. Little red Corvette. Her favorite song that she plays on her mama's old cassette. You proved me wrong. Now I know that you're home and you won't let me go nowhere.
There's like a little boutique over there. It looks cute. This is Tremont, right? We're in Tremont. I hear my people. They're speaking Spanish in the park. We're going to watch a little concert that we, again, just randomly saw like last time we came. So, do you think we should just go? I think we should just go.
Things that you do, I'm captivated in tune, but this ain't nothing new. Slow dance by the ocean, love to keep you in motion. You're like a sweet perfume, but you don't.
Now we're going to get food at, what's it called?
Literary Tavern.
Literary Tavern. I don't know why I can't remember that. It's like a really cool name. And we're pretty sure it's a newer place. It's gonna be so lit. And we're on Literary Street, so it's like all kinds of lit going on. Anyway, so it's like a newer place, and they were researching it, and they said that, what did you say? I don't remember.
I think it used to be a cafe.
Okay, yeah, that's right.
Took it over and redid some stuff.
Yeah, so we're excited.
New.
Menu's new. Hopefully some good drinks, good atmosphere. It's gonna be a good time.
Girl, you could, but you're not about to waste your time. Oh, you take me off my feet. Oh, you take me off my feet.
This is pretty cool. I like the vibe so far. I like the brick wall with like the wood wall over there. It's just nice. It's kind of dim. Got a nice little candle to set the mood.
And other things that you do, I'm captivated in tune, but this ain't nothing new. Slow dance by the ocean, love to keep you in motion. You're like a sweet perfume, but you don't have a clue. That's what I love about you. You proved me wrong. Now I know that you're home and you won't let me go nowhere.
We just ordered our drinks. I got the strawberry zen. It has, let me see, forget. Vodka, strawberries, fresh basil, lemon slice, simple syrup, lemon juice, cracked pepper, and soda. The cracked pepper is like really interesting. It kind of was like the selling point for me, why I picked it. And then Biddle got the Cider Boys the draft beer. Biddle, Nelson, you're just having water, right? Ice water. Cheers to that.
Run away now, girl, you could, but you're not about to waste your time. We started something good, and it's all because you found me inside. Run away now, girl, you could, but you're not about.
So we're eating a cheese plate platter. We have blue cheese here, roasted garlic. This is like a cranberry, what kind? Cranberries? Cheddar? Cranberry cheddar cheese, onions and mustard. And I like these pita crackers. My favorite combo was the blue cheese with the mustard, and I don't even like blue cheese, but it was pretty good. And then the roasted garlic, I could just like eat that for dinner, like 3 of those. This is amazing. Look at this, you guys. Biddle, yours looks gorgeous. Oh my god, I wanted that so bad. And then Nelson, yes. Time for a little taste test. Oh my god. This is the best sandwich I've ever had. I'm not even lying. It's amazing. I think I just found my new favorite restaurant.
We just want a new one team.
We're at a little arcade now. It's called High and Dry, I believe. And I just ordered a Crown and Coke. And we're gonna play some miniature bowling. So we're trying to get 185. One of the 3 of us wants to get 185 because if anyone rolls 185, if that's their score, they win a bottle of Jameson. And I hate Jameson, but I have a friend that I'd really like to give it to. I was thinking about getting her a bottle of Jameson as a gift. So it would be like a free gift for everybody. Go, Biddle. Oh, that was terrible. This is weird, there's no holes. Where's the other holes?
You got a bonus.
What?
You got a bonus for tonight, I guess.
Okay.
It's stuck up there.
These are like giant bocce balls. Dry Bowling and Beer is the name of the place. If you're ever in the Tremont, Ohio area and you want to come here, it was so much fun. The bowling balls were like this big and the pins were like this big. It was actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like so easy, and we also didn't win the bottle of Jameson, in case you were wondering. We're at Mitchell's now. I haven't been here in like 2 years. And I love this spot. What kind of ice cream are you getting?
I don't know.
You don't know? What about you, Nelly?
Good time.
Good to know.